Hello everyone, in this video I like to explain and show to you very briefly regarding the screen recorder software. The other day I showed to you it is Apowerec 1.5.0.19, and now let's see how you can install this software. So let's suppose you already had the software on your computer, and if not, then I'm going to drop it once again in the group, and you can check and make sure you have this icon appear like this. If not, then you have to right click and choose properties and click on change and choose Windows Explorer. However, if it looks like this already, then you don't have to do anything, just skip this process. Go ahead and double click and it should appear like this. Let me enlarge the interface, and you can double click on setup. Okay, and it will ask you for permission, so click on yes, click on next, click on installed. Wait, I have to charge the computer. Alright, and click on OK, next, 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 and it is optional whether you want to check the box or not, it doesn't matter. Click on next, install, and you should wait just for a very short period of time. It depends also on your computer hardware. If it is so good, so fast, then it takes less time. If not, then it's gonna take a little longer time than it is. So you need to remove the check from the box, click on finish. Okay, and it's going to be done in just a couple of seconds. Click on finish, and the software, as you can see, has been installed. The icon should look like this, and after that click on the correct folder, and you should copy 4 files. This 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to look different from my computer because I did some configuration and it has been misconfigured. So it looks like this, but it's okay. Just copy 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't copy the other files. Do right click and choose the word copy, and after that you have to double click on the shortcut folder here. Do right click over here, choose paste, and replace the files in the destination. There you go, you got it. But there are a couple of things that you need to also do configuration so that you can use it easily and comfortably. You need to go ahead and double click on the software icon, Apowerec. It's gonna take some time to load the interface and also add the features, so you have to be patient. Yes, okay, you have to click on setting over here, and then there are a few things you have to set up. So first of all, it's recording. You should check the box. Okay, I should remove actually because I installed it one time, and that's why I have to uninstall it so that I can install it again and show you about the process, how to do it. So by default it looks like this, so you have to remove this one so that it won't appear 3, 2, 1. It's gonna waste some time to me, and it's good if you can check the box. If not, it doesn't matter. If you check the box, every time when you start recording, the software will give you a beep notification like boop, and after that you know that the software is starting recording. Okay, and let's go to floating toolbar. Actually by default it looks like this, but you should remove it. Otherwise you should check the box, otherwise you will hear one toolbar appearing here. It's going to block some information on the screen as well. And the last part that you need to know is hotkeys. The hotkeys here can be magical key, shortcut keys, because most people, they will do like this, and they start to press on record, and then this box appear. But how about if you if you click on minimize icon, this one, and okay, so you can drag it here so that you know whether it is being recorded or not. So the software itself doesn't start recording because you haven't pressed the record button yet. However, you can use the shortcut way or the hotkeys over here. You press Fn is on the top of your keyboard. You see F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 until F12. So press F7. It is going to start or stop the recording. But for some laptops, you will have to press Fn and F7 because it is the multimedia function keys. So once again, if you press F7 it doesn't work, you have to press Fn and F7. Okay, it should be simple, but a few more tricks you need to know. When you click on webcam over here, it's gonna appear, but because I am recording on another software, it's going to conflict, so you can export this yourself. And for the sound, it is something that you must know. Okay, so if you want to record just the screen itself, the sound from the screen, fine, click on sound system sound. But if you want to record both system sound and with the microphone, when you talk it records the voice from you as well, then you have to click on system sound and microphone. And when you're ready, you can click on record. And I recommend you to minimize the icon, minimize the interface, and then press F7, and then you start recording. And when you feel, oh, it's done, then you have to press F7 once again to stop. Okay, let's say I record a little bit. F7. Okay. Oh, F and F7. Yep, you hear the sound, right? Yeah. So the software is recording. Here, it is recording. Okay, it is recording. And if you press F7 once again, then it stopped recording. And the video is here. If you want to know where the file is, do right click over here and choose the word open folder. Then you can see where the files or the file is located. Okay, it's over here. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, then feel free to ask.